Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we are going to understand how to send Slack channel message for signed document in BunnyDoc automatically. So here let's say that I have created a document using BunnyDoc and I've sent that document to my customers. Here my objective is that whenever a customer is going to sign that document, then I want to send a Slack channel message to my team. So now to do this, I need to build a connection between these two applications, for which I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be BunnyDoc and my action application will be Slack. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we are going to understand how to send Slack channel message for signed document in BunnyDoc automatically. So here let's say that I have sent a document to my customers through BunnyDoc. Now I want that whenever a customer is going to sign that document, then I want to send a channel message to my team on Slack. So now to automate this entire process, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, and as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly Connect. So here I will click on access now to reach my dashboard. In the meanwhile, subscribe to our channel. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I'm going to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as send Slack channel message for signed document in BunnyDoc automatically. And on my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as BunnyDoc Slack automation. And now here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to send Slack channel message for signed document in BunnyDoc. So now to automate this entire process, I will go to my trigger window, and over here I'm going to use BunnyDoc as my trigger application. And the trigger event will be signature request signed. So this trigger will start working whenever a signer has signed the signature request. And now moving to my action window, as I want to send a Slack channel message to my team. So over here, Slack will be my action application. Here it is. And now the action event will be to send channel message. So as you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and my trigger event. My objective is to send Slack channel message for signed document in BunnyDoc automatically. So in order to do that, firstly I need to establish a connection between BunnyDoc and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. So now to add a new connection, I need to mention the API key over here. So read this instruction given below over here carefully because this will help you to get the API key. So I'm going to take you to my BunnyDoc account. Over here I will go to settings, and in settings I will go to API. And over here I'm going to create a new API key. Let's say I'm giving the name as latest, and now I'm going to click on create. And this here is my API key. I'm going to copy the same, and in Pabbly Connect I'm going to paste it and click on save. So as you can see that the connection is successfully established. Now here I'm going to click on save and send test request button. So as I did that, over here you can see it is waiting for response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record in that application in order to capture the response over here in Pabbly Connect. So by using BunnyDoc, I've already sent a document, and over here you can see this here's the document which I've sent. So as I'm going to click on review and sign, and when I'm going to sign this document, then automatically the details will be captured in Pabbly Connect. So this here's the document. I'm going to click on get started. And now I'm going to click on sign. And over here you can either draw your signature, you can type your signature, you can also upload your signature as well. So let's say my signature will be as dummy user 11, and here I'm going to create this signature. So here you can see that I've signed this document. Now I'm going to click on finish, and over here I'm going to click on I agree with the terms and conditions. So here you can see that it says Thank you for signing the document. That means this document is signed successfully and the details of this document would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect, and yes, over here you can see that I have received a response, and here in the response you can see the name, that was demo user. Over here you can see the mail ID where I've sent this document. So over here you can see the event type, that is signature request signed. That means the document is signed successfully. And over here you can see in the event message as well, envelope was signed by demo user. So that means the document which was sent through BunnyDoc is signed and the details of the signed document is captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first objective of this automation is set up. That means now whenever a person is going to sign a document which was sent through BunnyDoc, then automatically the details of that signed document will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as over here in Pabbly Connect, I've got the details. Now I want to send a channel message to my team on Slack. So in order to do that, I need to establish a connection between Slack and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on Connect. And now to add a new connection, I will simply click on Connect with Slack. So here I need to mention the token type. I'm going to mention it as user. So if you want to learn more about token type, you can click over here on this hyperlink, and here I'm going to click on Save. So now here I've selected my workspace, and now I'm going to click on Allow. And you can see that the authorization was successful. So here you can see that Slack and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the channel part. So I'm going to take you to my Slack channel. So this here is the Slack channel, and in this channel I want to send the message. So over here in Pabbly Connect, firstly I'm going to select my channel from this drop down, that is BunnyDoc signed documents. After selecting the channel, here I'm going to frame the message in this field. So here I framed the message. It goes as, hello team has signed the document. So before has, I want to mention the name of the person who has signed the document. So it will go as, hello team, demo user has signed the document. Kindly proceed further in the process and send a product sample. Please inform that we will send a confirmation mail on this account. So over here after account, I want to mention the email address, and now it ends with regards manager. So this is the channel message which I would like to send to my team. So over here you can see that I've mentioned these two details from the previous response that I've received from BunnyDoc. So basically that method is known as mapping. Mapping means to insert the data from previous step. So as I've received these details from BunnyDoc, so over here in this message, I have mapped those details from that response. This method of mapping is important so that every time you are going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So in order to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as you can see that I have mapped the details in this message. Now moving ahead. So if you want to mention an image URL, image alt text, or a bot name and bot icon, you can do that. But as of now, I'm going to leave these fields blank. So over here, I'm simply going to click on save and send test request. And here you can see that I have received a response, and this here is a positive response. So over here you can see that this here is the message text which would have been sent. So now I'm going to take you to my Slack channel, and over here you can see that a new channel message has been sent. It goes as, hello team, demo user has signed a document. Kindly proceed further in the process and send a product sample. Please inform that we will send a confirmation mail on this account that goes as demo_dummy@pabblytudes.com regards manager. So that means a Slack channel message is sent to my team for signed document in BunnyDoc automatically. So that means this automation is a successful one. Now a Slack channel message will be sent to my team automatically whenever a BunnyDoc document will be signed. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.